This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, September 23rd, 2012. It's now time for the first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have a trough over the Great Lakes in the upper Midwest moving into New England. It's bringing down the cold air that brought the frost and freeze conditions this morning to the state, but it's going to quickly warm back up into the upper 50s to middle 60s across the state, coolest north and east to warmest south and west, with a sunny to mostly sunny sky. Monday, a bit warmer, highs back up into at least the lower to middle 70s across the state, maybe some upper 70s in the south and west, with some southwesterly breezes blowing. Tuesday, we have a disturbance just to our south that could produce some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two in downstate Illinois, Missouri, and maybe into Nebraska. It should stay dry around here, however, with highs in the 70s. Wednesday, that system still remains stalled, that high pressure to our north and east keeping skies mainly dry around here. You'll see in the HPC QPF chart that reason why. And Thursday, it could move into the state, could bring some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two at that time. We could see rain even before then, but it's looking more likely here on Thursday and into Friday as this system moves off and high pressure begins to come back in from the north and east. And temperatures during this time still remaining in the 70s, maybe a few upper 60s depending on cloud cover. Saturday, to start off the next weekend, the last weekend of September, we'll be in between some rain systems, one to our east, one to our west. So it looks to be mainly dry, but here a week from today, we have a trough to our east and a ridge to our west with a northwesterly flow aloft and some energy coming in. And with that, we could see some rain showers around coming in from the west. So Saturday looks better than Sunday for next weekend, and temperatures look to remain seasonal at this point with readings in the 70s. A couple days later, on October the 4th, we have a trough. It's not as pronounced as we saw yesterday, and it's not as deep, and there's no upper level feature. So we could still see some rain showers, but a lot of the cold air looks to be staying up in Canada, at least in this run it is. Big storm system over eastern Canada with a lot of wind and a lot of rain. And at the end of the forecast on October the 8th, storm track still about to our north. Pretty deep system off the Gulf of Alaska and the west coast of Canada. There could be a big wind and gale system in that area, but around here, some rain to our west, high pressure to our east, southerly winds, so we could see some seasonal to slightly warmer than seasonal temperatures. But last night, the satellite image showed fairly clear across the middle part of the country, a few clouds in the Great Lakes and a few in New England with the frontal system that brought some showers and thunderstorms to that part of the country, and a new storm system coming in from the west. Watch morning map from last evening showed some frost and freeze advisories over the Dakotas, Nebraska, Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin, Illinois, and into Indiana and Kansas and Missouri. Air quality alerts and red flag warnings to our west and across Texas. And the HPC QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing that most of the heaviest rain will be to our south, where they could get upwards of an inch. Around here, we could see anywhere from a trace to a tenth to our north to a half inch south.